let's make a nunchuck. Okay, now I just need to sand it. Okay, I've done the first one. I'll see you back after I've done the second.
It's like the...
So I want to get like a black paint into the pores of the wood, and then I'll maybe sand it down and get so you can like see the grain. So I'm just gonna rub this into the pores of the wood. I'm now just letting the paint on it dry. There's, as you can see, it's a little bit in the pores. It's got to dry off. It's not going to look too nice, but then when I varnish it, it's got to come back to its former glory. So I'm just going to let that dry off for a little bit. Okay, here they are all varnished. I'm just going to let them dry. So guys, it's now time to change this piece of chain, which I got. This is a metal chain, and this piece of wood and the other piece of wood into a nunchuck. So let's attach them together. Okay, I've banged them all together. Now let's do some testing. Please be careful, they can be very dangerous. And this is me trying to show off my nunchuck skills. I don't really have any nunchuck skills, but I tried to show that I did. So here is me trying to show off my nunchuck skills, which I don't have. Yes, the chair was already wrecked. Yes, I do have glasses on. I just had to wear it for protection. My dad said so. I also decided to make a smoothie with the banana, which I used for my testing because I didn't want to waste it. Well, that project turned out really well. I'll give you a few shots of what it looks like. This is my completed nunchucks. So, pretty cool. I got this chain just from the Mighty Den. I asked them to cut half, just like a tiny bit, but they wouldn't do it, so they had to, I could only get like a meter or half a meter, so I got half a meter, but I only need a little bit, so I've got sacks of leftover chain, so leave it down in the comments what you think I should do with the leftover chain. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the notification button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.